Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are going to talk about conditional sentences. Sometimes we use conditional sentences with if and sometimes with unless. How we can change them and how we can transform them, and we can use unless instead of if, that we are going to practice today. So we start it. First one is, if it rains we will cancel the picnic. Unless it rains we will not cancel the picnic. You will not pass the exam if you don't study. Unless you study, you will not pass the exam. Or you will not pass the exam unless you study. You can start with if or unless, or you can take it in the middle. If you don't call me, I will assume you are not coming. Unless you call me, I will assume you are not coming. If she doesn't apologize, he won't forgive her. Unless she apologizes, he will not or he won't forgive her. Last, if the store is not open, we will go somewhere else. Unless the store is open, we will go somewhere else. So this way we can change if conditional sentences to unless conditional sentences. Mean to say, we can set conditions in a sentence with the both if and unless, and they will give us same meaning and same letter meaning. Thank you.